a hole is to be punched out of a plate having a shearing strength of 40 KSI, ano yan? Kilopounds per square inch. The compressive stress in the punch is limited to 50 KSI. Now for letter A, compute the maximum thickness of the plate in which a hole 2.5 inches in diameter can be punched. And then for letter B, if the plate is 0.25 inch thick, determine the diameter of the smallest hole that can be punched. So, itong dalawang questions, hindi sila, parang hindi sila dependent. Separate yung question ng letter A saka yung letter B. So, sa letter A muna tayo. So, for letter A, required yung thickness. Ayan. So, saang formula magagamit yung thickness? Diba, hindi yan magagamit sa axial stress. Meron kasing compressive stress na yung punch, 50 KSI. Now, hindi involved dyan yung thickness, but kailangan pa rin natin yung ilagay para ma-solve natin yung allowable force. So, first, sulat natin based on axial stress of the punch. Ayan. So, 50 KSI daw, kilopounds per square inch. Ito na lang yung ilalagay ko, kip per inches squared. And then, equate natin yan. If ito yung force natin, pag ganyan naman yung force kapag nagpa-punch ka, yung perpendicular area sa force natin is ito. Yan. So, this is simply the area of a circle. Diba? Pi d squared divided by 4. So, we have our force P, unknown pa yan, and then divided by pi over 4 times d squared. Yung d is 2.5. Kasi for the first question, 2.5 yung diameter ng hole. 2.5 inches. Ayan. So, masosolve na natin yung P. So, 50 times pi over 4 multiplied by 2.5 squared. Ayan. So, 245.44 pala. And then, this is kips. And then, hindi pa natin nakuha yung thickness. So, di ba yung formula na mag-involve ng thickness would be the shear stress. Kasi again, yung shear stress natin is yung area na to. Yung naka-green. So, ngayon, based on the shearing strength of the plate naman. Ayan. So, yung shearing strength natin is 40 KSI. Kilopounds per square inch pa rin yan. And then, our force P, alam na natin, 245.44 yan. Tapos, skips. Then, divide natin by the circumference na again na-erase yung area. Ito yung shear area. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung perpendicular area for the axial stress of the punch. So, we have pi multiplied by the diameter, which is 2.5. Ayan. Then, multiplied by the thickness, which is our unknown. So, solving T, we would have 245.44 divided by pi times 2.5. And then, cross-multiply natin yung 40 saka T. So, dito na yung 40. Ayan. So, we have 0.781. And then, this is in inches. So, this is our answer for letter A. Now, for letter B naman, iba na yung hinahanap. Binigay na yung thickness. If the plate daw is 0.25 inch thick, determine the diameter of the smallest hole that can be punched. So, ito na yung bagong required. Yan yung hinahanap sa problem. So, still, our stress considerations are the same. We have the axial stress of the punch and the shearing strength of the plate. Ayan. So, yung magbabago lang is this portion. Hindi na kasi binigay yung diameter. So, bale, label na lang natin yan as D. Ayan, D. Unknown yan. And then ito rin, yung thickness binigay na, 0.25 inches. So 0.25, ayan. And then our unknown is the diameter, pi times d. So ito rin, this is still force P. Di pa natin alam yan. Now notice na meron tayong dalawang unknowns, P saka D. However, we have two equations, so solvable lang yan. Now we can use this equation to express P in terms of the diameter, para yan na lang yung unknown natin. So try to notice na we can multiply this expression sa kabilang side. We would have P equals 50 multiplied by pi over 4 multiplied by d squared. Ayan. So, itong expression na to, yan, isa-substitute natin yan sa kabilang equation. So, changing this one into 50 times pi over 4 d squared. Ayan. Notice na magka-cancel yung d. So, wala na to. And then, d na lang yung matitira dyan. And then, magka-cancel din yung pi. Essentially. So, solving the diameter, yun na lang sa numerator. We would have 40 equals 50 times, wala na yung pi. So, 1/4 na lang. Multiplied by d. Ayan. Then, sa ilalim, we only have 0.25 left. So, solving d, this is 0.8. 0.8 inches. Ayan. So, ito na yung sagot for letter B. So, again, kapag meron kang dalawang stress considerations, you would have to use the two para makuha mo yung hinahanap mo.